Does this sound familiar? You go on YouTube, you find a warm-up video, you go and do that for about 20, 30 minutes, and then you go sing a song. And then you wonder, why am I not getting any better? Now, let me clarify. I don't think warming up is actually a bad thing, but most beginners aren't really using them for the right purpose. Let me explain. I want to start off by distinguishing the difference between a warm-up and a workout. Now, I know it might feel a bit like, just semantics or, different words and might just kind of cherry picking, but I promise you there is a real difference here. The purpose of a warm up is about getting you ready as quick as possible, getting you to your, high, say, skill level and getting you there as quick as possible. And ready for what? Ready for singing songs, ready for rehearsals, ready for performing, ready to be on stage. And maybe this is just about getting blood flow, or maybe this is about accessing techniques or coordinations or muscle memories that you're quite used to. Or maybe this is just about getting into the right headspace. The purpose should be pretty clear here though. It's about getting you ready, not better. And this is why I distinguish it from a workout, where the purpose is actually about improving your skill set or improving your coordination or improving your technique, or basically learning how to use the right singing muscles better. And this is really important because it actually affects how your practice session should look like. Here's what I mean. If you're warming up for, say, a rehearsal, a performance, you kind of have to sing a couple of songs. The goal here is to find scales, exercises, routines that you're generally quite comfortable with. You don't have too many troubles, or you don't have too many hitches, you're not flipping, straining, doing all these kind of weird things. You're generally able to get through your range fairly nicely, even if it's something as simple as humming through your range for 5 minutes. So you got to ask yourself, as you're warming up, are these exercises generally quite easy? And do they allow me to go through my range fairly comfortably? Or is there always this kind of hitch, this kind of unusable part, or maybe this extra strain that comes in? This is why I said at the beginning, this is a problem for most beginners. And that's because they don't really have a lot of exercises, scales, in which they're coordinating pretty cleanly throughout. Most scales are going to give them a bit of a challenge or bit of a problem. And so instead of trying to, warm up, they actually need to get good and figure out these scales. And so this is where I believe a vocal workout comes in. And the difference and the nuance here when you're actually practicing is you still might actually start off with some of these easier scales. You might start off with a simple hum or something that feels generally quite good on your voice. But they're really a stepping stone into some of your harder scales, some of your harder exercises. Those exercises when you're doing them and you're like, what the heck? I don't know how this is going to work. And the reason why this is happening is because they're just simply exposing areas of weaknesses in your voice. Maybe the scale is a little bit shorter. Maybe it's in a particular part in your range, or maybe it's a particular word, or maybe you have to sustain. And so rather than avoiding these exercises in a workout, you need to go and actually try to solve them. And by solving them, I mean, how do you get them to feel just as comfortable, just as easy, and just as consistent as some of those easier exercises, easier scales? And at times, this is going to be really confronting. It's going to expose a lot of the weaknesses in your voice and make you question whether you can actually sing or not. But frankly, this is where I believe growth really happens. So anyway, to summarize, if you're wondering why after doing these 30-minute warm-ups, you're singing songs day in, day out, and you're still not improving, try this mental shift. Warm-ups are all about getting you ready, getting your voice feeling as accessible and as easy as possible, whereas a workout is about deliberately going to some of those challenging spots in your voice and challenging those areas. Both are useful depending on what you're trying to get out of that session. Now, don't just take my word for it. Go and actually test it out, apply it into your own practice sessions. Anyway, I hope you found this episode useful. If you did, please share or like, comment, subscribe, all that social media stuff really helps this channel grow. If you're interested in improving your voice with less of the headaches, I've got some links down in the description below. Apart from that, my name is Ivan. I'm your voice teacher. I'll see you next time. Take care.